What's going on, everybody? So I'm back with another video. So I want to talk a little bit about Tesla. Okay, I love trading Tesla, whether that be to the upside or the downside. Okay, I think ever since we had earnings come out on Tesla, we got that. And I don't even think the earnings that were that bad on Tesla. Okay, but they sold it off a little bit. It kind of been chopping around. We had that huge breakout was it on Friday 4:30. Okay, we put up this move from 668 at the open all the way up here to 715, 716. Insane move. So you're thinking that Monday's going to roll around. You're thinking that all Tesla has to do is just go ahead and confirm $715, $716. This thing's going to put in its next leg to 725. And then all it needs to do is confirm 725, and then 750, 762. Here we come. And what happens? The semiconductors, AMD, NVIDIA, MU, they really have a big weight in the triple Qs, and it just drags the NASDAQ 100 down all day. So it's just kind of like this slow bleed all day. So Tesla closed today down 24 points, 3.5% at a price of 684.90. Okay, so was there any opportunity to make any money in Tesla today? Sure. Maybe if you shorted the top off the open break and you wanted to put on some risk, and you're going to use 715 as your stop, which was going to be Friday's highs as your absolute stop loss. You're just going to short it from the market open if this thing starts to go down along with the triple Qs. But just very risky. I mean, if you were watching Tesla all day, I mean, it's chop. It's at 690, then it's down to 681, then it's back up to 687, and it's back down to 682. So it's hard to really sink your feet into the ground when the market is choppy like that. Okay, until we either break out to the upside or we break down to the bottom, it's hard to really put on day trades. I mean, even if you're scalping, you can quickly start to chop yourself up. You lose one trade here, you lose two trades there. You lost a couple points on this trade, and the next thing you know, you're down a couple $1,000s, and then you're now like you're revenge trading, trying to hit that one home run when the market is giving you nothing but balls on the outside, or a curveball down, curveball away. Giving you a lot of base hits. So I think right now in this market, until the Qs, let me just pull up the NASDAQ 100, the triple Qs, until we break above 342.80 or we break down below 334, I wouldn't really feel confident putting on a whole lot of size. Okay, if you want to put on a quick trade, you've got a little bit of room, whether that be to the upside or to the downside, and you're going to take a quick scalp, get in, get out, take some cash flow. But as far as letting this trade sort of mature a couple of hours overnight, the market is just, you just can't trust it. Now, we're still in very bullish context. So by no means am I saying that the market is rolling over and we're selling off, the NASDAQ selling off to 300. That's not what I'm saying. Okay, if we break below 334, you could probably expect a back test of 328 and 324, which is the 50-day moving average, possibly get a gap fill here at 321. If we really start breaking below 324 is when I would get a little bit concerned, where I think maybe the sentiment is changing and maybe we're going to roll over into a bear market. But right now, still very bullish. We're just in, this chop fest. We're in a distribution fest. We're in a consolidation period here, either to get a next leg up or to possibly come down here and test some of this support. So with Tesla, here are the levels that I'm looking at here. I am still looking at Tesla to the upside, a confirmation of 715, 716. Off that break, I will look to take profits at 724, 725. Let it see what it wants to do. If it can confirm 725, I believe you've got room up to 762, considering that the NASDAQ is strong. Okay, if the NASDAQ's going down and you're expecting Tesla to go up, Not saying it can't happen, but let's just be smart about this. Is there some opportunities to short Tesla? Sure. You've got a little bit of room here. If it can confirm today's lows of 680, you've got room to 673. But again, that's a scalp. It's going to happen very, very fast. It's going to go up 2 or 3 points, down 2 or 3 points, up 2 or 3 points, down 2 or 3 points. I really wouldn't feel comfortable shorting Tesla unless it breaks below 665, 661 actually. This lower Bollinger Band here, if we get a daily candle close below 661, I would feel confident to short this. Has room all the way down to 575 and 568. To the upside, the first break is going to be 715. The macro break is going to be 725 into 762, and to the downside is going to be 661 with room to 575 and 569. So I hope that helps you guys out. Guys, stay patient out there. Don't throw your money around. Protect it. If the trade is not there, please do not try to force the trade. Let the levels play out. Protect your capital. That way you have money and you have resources to put on a trade when the opportunity presents itself. Until that, you're just gathering information and you're seeing what the market wants to do. Also keep an eye on the semiconductors. Keep an eye on AMD. Keep an eye on NVIDIA. There's a good short potential on NVIDIA for tomorrow. If it can confirm and take out 591, you've got a lot of room to the downside. 572 and 556. I would monitor the semiconductors with the SOXX. Okay, first day that it closed below the 50-day moving average. If this starts to confirm today's lows of 415, you've got room to 410 and 405. Keep that in mind, guys. Just keep an eye on the market. I will see you guys all in the next video.